Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You stop now and create a tiny gap between impulse and action. First, take the breathing cycle. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. This lowers arousal and slows thinking. While breathing, silently name the urge, craving, avoidance, whatever fits, to reframe it as a passing event. Once done, change your posture. Sit up or stand, because bodily shifts interrupt automatic repetition and give you control to continue with the next step. You now reevaluate the urge by asking concrete time questions. What happens in 5, 30, or 60 minutes if you act or delay? This creates perspective and weakens urgency. Next, pick a single 5 to 10 minute replacement activity, walk to the sink, drink a glass of water, do a quick chore, and commit to it. Because short tasks reset neural momentum, once you finish, you often find the urge reduced or gone, making sustained change more achievable. You finish by locking in what you chose and learning from it. Jot a quick note about the urge, your action, and how long it lasted so you build pattern awareness. If the urge returns, escalate logically, extend the alternative to 20 minutes or call a supportive person. Social contact and longer delays break cycles. If problems continue, remove the trigger from your environment or delay action for 1 hour. This troubleshooting prevents relapse and strengthens your next automatic response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.